Thank you. Àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa o. Ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, ẹ̀dẹ̀ kú àdúrótì èèyàn wa olóyè bàbá Sunday Igboho. Kọ́wé fi àkókò yìí kí n fi bá èèyàn wa bàbá Omoyele Sowore, mo fẹ́ fi bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ ní. Mo wá so encourage lórí bí ẹ ṣe gbá tẹrù fún àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá nation, èyí tí àwọn ọmọ adáhunrun tí a lè pè ní DSS, èyí tí wọ́n mú sínú custody wọn nígbà tí ẹ tẹ̀lé wọn lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́. Mo fẹ́ fi àkókò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ̀yin tí mọ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Bí ènìyàn bá ṣe dáadáa, èmi máa sọ. Bí ènìyàn bá sì ṣe búburú, èmi máa sọ. Ó láwọn area kan tọ́lọ́run rán mi sí, mi ò ń dé díẹ̀ rárá, kò sí nǹkan tó kàn mí. Ṣùgbọ́n ó dẹ̀ ní àwọn area kan tọ́lọ́run ò rán mi sí. Àwọn area tí Ọlọ́run ò rán mi sí, èmi ò ń dé díẹ̀. Ibi tí Ọlọ́run bá rán mi sí, òun ni èmi ń ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí. Torí ẹ̀ ni lẹ́yìn náà ṣe máa rí pé látijọ́ tí mo ti ń jáde gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run, mi ò tẹ́rí o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Ọlọ́run fi ń kún ìyìn fún mi lójoojúmọ́. Àkókò yìí mo tún fi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Omoyele Sowore wípé ẹ ṣe gidigidi gan. Mo sì fẹ́ jẹ́ gbà yín ní ìmọ̀ràn wípé kí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kẹ́ tú ronú ẹ̀ dáadáa. Yorùbá máa sọ wípé àgbájọwọ́ a máa ní òun ní ń gbẹ́rù dórí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ fi ọwọ́ sowọ́pọ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation yìí. No matter how you are talking about revelations, we believe that revelation will come. But listen very well. I am a prophet. I'm a spiritualist. Run spiritual church and I do spiritual work. I have never, even in my spirit, I've never go against you for once. Omoyele Sowore, for once. But I will be very happy if you're on the right way. Okay, we're on the right way to support our father, Olóyè Sunday Igboho, and this mission. Listen, if we separate, we cannot enhance this freedom in time. But when we come together in one accord, we will discover that we have gotten to where we want to get to in time. So therefore, Omoyele Sowore, I will be very happy if you can come together with us so that we can fight this battle. We'll recognize your effort, and we will continue to recognize it now and forever. Ṣé jẹ́ ká fi ọwọ́ sowọ́pọ̀ kí ó má di wípé ọ̀tọ̀ tẹ́ ń ṣe tọ̀dọ̀ yín yẹn náà lẹ̀ ń ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ fi ọwọ́ sowọ́pọ̀, kẹ́ sowọ́pọ̀ pẹ̀lú bàbá wa olóyè Sunday Igboho kí ìjà yìí lè tètè ṣe jà. Ká jọ ní ohun kan. nítorí pé ohun kan ní agbé ń ké tiẹ̀, ohun kan sì ní alùkò ń ké tiẹ̀. Òdìdẹrẹ́ á máa ké tiẹ̀ ní mẹ̀yàmẹ̀yà. Bó ṣe wá ń ké tiẹ̀ mẹ̀yàmẹ̀yà yìí ló ń jẹ́ kí ó máa jẹ̀yà gbogbo ìgbà, nítorí pé kò ké tiẹ̀ ohun kan, kò fi ohun kan ké tiẹ̀. Kó má di wípé effort yẹn they render it, wọ́n render kó má di pé they are jeopardizing your effort. Let us put this effort together. Kó lè dùn tá ń fẹ́. We need Yoruba nations. I don't tell you that we don't talk about revelations, Omoyele, Sowore, but I want to tell you that we should go straight to the point. We need Yoruba nations. It is only Yoruba nations that can do it. Just think about this. My name is Babaconfirm JP. All our supporters share it until it got to Omoyele, Sowore. So all I want to tell him is that we should work together with our father Sunday Igboho. That both we and Omoyele Sowore, we should come together and work together with our father Sunday Igboho, so that the mission we will accomplish as expected. So ẹ má ṣe ti yín lọ́tọ̀, káwa náà má máa ṣe tiwa lọ́tọ̀. Ọmọ máa lérò pé orí wa ò pé ni, ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí a bá jọ parapọ̀ tá a jọ ṣe, àwọn tó wà lọ́ọ̀kan wọ́n á rí i pé ìmọ̀ wa ti di ẹyọ kan. I understand what you are doing. Inú mi dẹ̀ dùn gan bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dìde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn agitator tí àwọn DSS tí wọ́n gbé. I was so happy. Inú mi dùn. I am here to speak on behalf of all Yoruba nations. Àwa kì í ṣe ọ̀dàlẹ̀. We speak the truth, and I am not here because anybody. I am not here so that people will give me money. Èmi ò wá nítorí wá sí ìbàyí nítorí owó. Mi ò wá sí ìbàyí nítorí famous. But I am here to speak the truth because èmi tí mo òtítọ́ sì ti sọ mí di òmìnira. Nothing you can say. I have known the truth, and the truth has set me free. So let us come together, Omoyele, Sowore, to make it done. Yoruba nations. Now, do you think of all this? Inú wa dùn, inú mi dùn bí mo ṣe rí yín ní dodo bí ẹ ṣe follow up lórí àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ Yorùbá nation tí àwọn DSS mú. Ṣùgbọ́n ó fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ lọ ronú jinlẹ̀, àkókò tí tó ká jọ ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ pẹ̀lú bàbá wa Sunday Igboho. Ẹ ṣe gidigidi gan. Just think about it. Ẹ ṣí ẹ̀dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Orúkọ tèmi ni Babaconfirm JP. Ẹ ṣí ẹ̀dọ́dọ̀ Sowore. Ẹ má di ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mú sọ́dọ̀ yìí nìkan. Ẹ jẹ́ kó dé ọ̀dọ̀ Sowore gangan, kóun náà jókòó kó ronú. Ẹ jẹ́ kó gbàgbé issue of Nigeria. We cannot bring everybody together. Forget about it. You want to bring everybody together, Yoruba, Hausa, forget about it. It is not possible again. Kò possible. God is saying it that it's not possible. Èèyàn kan ò dẹ̀ lè ní pé ó máa possible. That is why we are there. I am a prophet. God is saying that it is not possible. I don't want you to waste your effort on bringing it. I know that you have a sincere mind, but don't waste your effort to bring the three tribes together again. Work with your nation. Kó má kọ̀ jẹ́ wípé iṣẹ́ yín lásán ló máa jẹ́. A ò dé fẹ́ jẹ́ kó jẹ́ lásán. Inú wa dùn gan pẹ̀lú ohun tẹ́ ẹ ti ṣe nípa ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tí àwọn DSS kó. Please just think about it. My name is Babaconfirm JP. In fact, I would like to speak with you. Omoyele Sowore. God bless you. Thank you. My number is 08137 8683336. That is my number. I would like to speak with you. God has given me insight, and I don't want you to waste your time. I love you so dearly. Please, let's come together and work with Yoruba Nation. Thank you. God bless you. Share it till we meet again. God bless you.